across that line. Just like this.
This direction or
yes, this direction. This direction.
All right.
Push. Hang on to it really super tight. Don't push down so hard. Don't push the saw into it. Now we'll leave that alone. Don't need that.
Hit the cut. Woo!
And then you tack weld it together.
Alright. Alright, guys, we're about to weld this. Wait, don't do it. Is it, can you even see? Oh. I had it pointing at the. Oh. Is it done already?
No.
I didn't know it's such a quick weld with it. Oh, can I open?
Yep.
Oh! Alright, turn the grinder down.
No.
I need that hammer.
It is not time to grind down. You gotta weld
Oh,
down
yeah,
the other side.
The other side too, yeah. I wonder what it's gonna look like on camera. See other people do it? Alright. Are you done?
No.
Ooh. Can I open?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh my goodness, it's red. Don't break it. Isn't it really easy to break this out? Ooh, even my tablet's a little warm. Pretty close to it. Ooh. Tomorrow, guys, we'll put the whole thing together.
There's your S.
What do you guys think? Are those too wide?
Yes.
Yeah.
Always interested in stuff like that too.
Alright, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.